Okay, let's start. So open natin ng Oracle, then start natin ang Ubuntu 22.04. Gamit natin sa rAthena server. Okay, let's wait until it's finish or done loading. Okay, server is up. So let's change first the network to bridge adapter, so that our server will connect directly into our switch. Or connected directly to the network. Okay, let's log in. Username and the password. Okay, it's mistake. Okay, let's try again. Okay, there you go. It's clear. IP address. Okay, there you go. We can see now the IP address is 192.168.3.94. Okay, so next. So let's open the CMD. Okay, so now we know what is the IP that we are using in our server. So let's SSH rAthena at 192.168.3.94. Okay, yes. Then the password. Okay, there you go. We're in. Okay, let's see directory. Oh, no directory. Okay, sudo apt -get install build -essentials. Okay, let's enter the password. Yes. This server is a minimal install only, guys, so that we will use the server from scratch to finish. Okay, sudo apt install git in the future we can use that to get the latest update of our RO server, that git. Let's check the version, git -- version. Okay, we have the version 2.34.1. okay, next let's clear this one. Sudo apt update. Let's check if there's available update for our system. Okay, we have 10 packages need to can be upgraded. Okay, sudo apt upgrade. Yes. Okay, let's restart the two package 1 and 2. Okay, next sudo apt install library z development, and then the library ssl and library curl for the gnu tls -dev. Okay, library expat 1-dev get text cmake gcc yes. Okay, done. Next step, let's check the version of this GCC. We have the version 11.2.0. Okay, next sudo apt get install library PCRE 3, and then the library PCRE 3-development, and oh yeah, that's it. Then yes, okay, it's done. Sudo apt-y install bsd ext rautils. Oh, mistake. Oh, the letter Y, that's why I mean. Okay, it's done. Next step, sudo apt-get install -y git make library mysql client dev z library 1g dev okay, that's fast. Let's move again in the next step. Okay, it's done. No updates. Sudo apt install Apache 2. So for now, let's install the Apache server. Okay, so that our MySQL later on it will run. Because the MySQL, the MariaDB need to have that Apache server. Okay, sudo sudo systemctl status Apache 2, so that we can check if the server is running. Okay, it's running active. Okay, sudo ctl enable Apache 2, so that the server will permanently enable even the server is reboot. Let's check our host IP. Hostname -i. Okay, our IP is 192.168.3.94 as you remember last time. Okay, let's put it here, that 94. It's double check, it's 94 or 93. Okay, 94. Okay, there you go, the Ubuntu default page. Okay, let's check the PHP my admin. As you can see, no PHP my admin. So let's install the PHP in the next step. So for now, let's enable the web link to access the web page. -755 /var/www/html. Enter. As you can see, this is root. Let's try if we can add a new file or new folder here. Oh, there's a permission denied. We need to fix this, because later on we need to upload some files like the FluxCP for our server. Okay, let's minimize first. Let's move forward. We will fix it later on. Okay, let's check if there is an available update for our newly installed. Okay, all up to date. It's clear. Next step, sudo apt install MariaDB server. Okay, press yes. Okay, it's done. Next step, sudo mysql _secure _install installation. Yes, press enter. Don't put anything in there, then press no. Switch to Unix socket, no. Then change the root password, yes. Then let's enter the new password and re-enter the new password. Okay, press yes. Yes. Okay, next step. Sudo systemctl start MariaDB. Service. Okay, then let's check this no let's enable the MariaDB. Okay, so that even our server is rebooted, it will automatically start. Okay, let's check the status. Okay, there you go, active running. Okay, next step. Sudo MySQL admin version. Okay, there you go, our MySQL for this MariaDB version 9.1. Okay, it's clear. So let's go to the next step. Let's check the phpMyAdmin. Okay, now so you can see not yet the start of phpMyAdmin. So let's install the phpMyAdmin. Let's install first the PHP, so as you can see, because this is a prerequisite for phpMyAdmin. Okay, let's go to the next step. Install the phpMyAdmin. Okay, click yes. Okay, let's put password and then password again for the PHP admin. And confirmation password, and then let's select Apache 2. It's clear. Then let's check. Let's check the PHP admin if it's work. Okay, there you go, it's work. Let's log in the root. Okay, there you go. So next step, we will create a user account. As you can see, the PHP version is 8, and then the database and server type MariaDB. Okay, there you go, and the server version MariaDB is 10. So let's create a new account. Add user. Okay, it's add a default user Ragnarok, and then the password, and then the password again, same as is default by the rAthena. Let's check this one, and then go. Okay, it's done. Click. As you can see, there you go, the Ragnarok username. So next step, let's click the Ragnarok database, because we need to upload the, what do you call this one, the SQL database for this rAthena server. Let's download the rAthena. Okay, there you go. Let's wait until it's done. Okay, it's done already. So let's go to the next step. And let's log in our WinSCP. Okay, there you go. We have the rAthena Let's configure. To build some system in our SRC. So you can see, if you configure your server, you must have to know the client version of your AXE. So as you can see here, 2019-0605. Okay, we will add the packet version of 2019-0605. Okay, hit the enter, then wait until it's done. And there you have it, it's already done. So the next step is let's make a clean server. The runnable program for the RO server. So let's wait again until it's done compiling. Okay, while our compiler is on the move, let's sudo password root. So let's change the password of our root user. Okay, let's put a new password and then you retype new password. Okay, successfully update. So later on we will use that password, because it always asks the root password or the root user to access some configuration. Super user. Okay, let's go to the next step. We need the Flux link. It's up to you guys what is the easy for you to use, the link or the download zip. So for me as our example or sample for this video is I will download the zip file to upload in this folder, the HTML. Okay, so that I will extract it there. Let's go to the next step. Okay, copy this folder location, then we'll add it here, then click open. There is a Flux, then we will upload. Alright, it's still the same. Access denied. So let's try the root user. if I can access it successfully. Let's try. Alright, still access denied. Maybe I need to reboot the server so that the changes or the setting that I make is it will take effect after the server reboot. So let's minimize first, minimize this one. Okay, the server compile is already done, so let's go to the next step. Let's leave that, we will fix it later on, so that we will finish our server. Let's check. Okay, there you go, all the files are already compiled. So the next step, to start the server. Oh wait, before we start this command, we will first upload the SQL script in our phpMyAdmin. Okay. Okay, let's click the Ragnarok, then click the import. As for our example, guys, I will upload only the minimal SQL. So later on, if you have a own server, you can upload everything in your PHP server or a phpMyAdmin. Okay, let's click the import again, ItemDB, click go. It's done. Import. Let's check this one. Let's click go. Okay, import, choose, and we're red. Okay, go, import. Just remember, guys, this is for the sample purposes, so I will not upload everything. I will upload some SQL needed for our server to run. So I will download this script, the login, so that I can create my first username, administrate account. This is for a manual registration for the administrator. But if you first fix the FluxCP, you can use that to register your account. But for now, for the testing purposes, I will add the add my user account for testing. I will insert in the SQLDB my admin account. But later on, guys, I will fix the FluxCP. Before we end this video. So for now, let's go to the next step. Let's close this one and then close, and then let's edit the client info.xml. Let's edit the IP address of the server. Let's add the 95. The port is already default, so let's click save as it is. So let's go back to the client, then let's start the server. Okay, there you go. Sounds good. Okay, there you have it. The server has been up. Okay, there you go. The Ragnarok interface. Okay, let's log in my account. And there you go. Okay, as you can see, it's already connected in the server. Okay, there you go. Let's put the pin, or register the new pin. New pin. Okay, there you go. I already add my pin. Then click create. As you can see, my character is already registered there, and there you go. There you have it. We have one user online. Okay. So there you go. I have already arrived in Frontera. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this guide will help you how to build your private RO server or the Ragnarok offline server. Okay, let's go to the next step. Let's fix the Flux. Let's close first, then let's minimize. Let's go to fix. Let's go to fix the Flux server. I have our Flux website. So let's go fix this root problem. Let's try the password. Still access denied. So let's configure the SSH, the permission to log in. Let's modify. If you want to modify this one, guys, it's okay, but for me, I will add new script so that in the future I want to revert the settings. I have already the history of this configuration. So as you can see, it's permission root login. Let's add it yes, then click Control O, then Control X, then there you go. And let's try the WinCP, but first let's restart the service of this SSH so that our setting will take effect after the restart. Okay, so it's restarted, so let's try now. OM, let's try again. Okay, there you have it. We are already in. So next step, we will upload the Flux. Let's go to root, then let's go to home. No, why there is a HTML here? Let's try to transfer it to HTML. Oh, nothing here. Let's transfer it in the www. Oh, it's failure. Okay, so let's delete that one. Let's go inside, then let's upload the clean Flux. Never mind that it's old HTML because it was a mistake upload. Okay, so let's go to the download extract here, then after extract, let's go to the folder of this Flux, then we will upload this all of these files. Okay, let's open. Let's upload everything. Okay, let's go to config. Let's check the server configuration if it's correct. So everything the setting is as is because we did not change anything in our settings in the server. For tutorial purposes, let's leave it as it is. Let's go to our website as our example sample. Okay, there you go. We have the error, so we will fix this error. Permission denied. So let's go to no HTML. Let's check the properties. Okay, let's click this one, set to group, and click OK. Okay, so let's refresh if it's worked. Oh, there's an error again. Okay, maybe the configuration. Let's check again the application PHP. We did not change the setting here, so let's edit. Oh, there you go, the folder FluxCP. So as you can see, you can set it default by blank or slash. Okay, add your desired password here. I would suggest the strong password. Okay, so as for our sample here, I will add the strong password. Okay, this is for the tutorial purposes password, guys. Okay, if you configure your server, you must install it correctly. So as default, localhost, because our server is in the localhost. Okay, then hit enter. There you go. So as you remember the authentication password that you add it here, then click the copy or just remember it and enter here. So click paste, authenticate, there you go. And then the MySQL username and password as you register here in the phpMyAdmin. As for the tutorial purposes, I registered the default username, password, and everything. So next step is in the Ragnarok username and the Ragnarok password. Then click the update RO, and there you go. We have already the website. We can now register, log in our username. Let's check my account, log in, and there you go. My account is already an admin account. So let's check the account. Oh, there you go. As you remember, guys, I did not upload everything in the phpMyAdmin. That's why this Ragnarok item db 2-re. So as you can see, I will upload that db item db 2, then item db2re. I will upload it later. So let's click go, then import. Already uploaded item db2. So next, item db2re. Okay, my bad guys. Let's upload again. My bad. Item db2re. Okay, there you go. Let's open. Okay, there you go. Ragnarok item db.re. The re item db.re. There you go. The renewal item db. Okay, open and click go. So I will upload everything. To minimize the error. All right. go. Oh, Ragnarok Guild emblems. We have a problem in the emblems. Let's find where it is. Nothing here. So let's check this out. For now, we will disable this one. Later on, we will fix this. Or in the future, if you have a server, you can fix that one. So for now, I will disable that script first. So I'll check if there is an item there. I mean the SQL file for that emblem here. Nothing here. Okay, let's check this. Okay, let's upload everything. Okay, let's check in this script in the application.php. Okay, there you go. There is an emblem. Okay, so let's find again another emblem name. Okay, there you go. There is emblem use web service. So let's make this false for now. So let's try. Okay, there you have it. There you go. So as you can see, our Flux server, Flux website is already run smoothly. So as you can see, let's log out my account. Let's register a new account. Okay, let's leave it as it is, PY9YC. Okay, there you go. Congratulations, you have been registered successfully and automatically logged in. Okay, let's try to log in our server. Okay, there you have it. There you go. Pretty easy, pretty baby. Okay, let's log in, baby. Okay, there you go. Easy breezy. can use the administrator, because this account is what do you call this one, normal user. Okay, 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 there you have it. There is a lag. Okay, let's close this one, and then the next step. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also the notification bell, so that if I have a new upload videos for like this tutorial, you will be receive a notification, so that you will be always updated for my new videos. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much, and God bless. Peace out.